Hey there, everybody. It's Tomomi and Ayça here. And we're so excited to welcome you to our YouTube channel. Together, we'll learn how these AI wonders can help us express our creativity and inspire us to explore new horizons.
Today, we are diving into the exciting world of generative AI where creativity has no bounds. Let's get started, Tomomi.
Okay, let me grab my pen.
Generative AI acts like a creative genius, crafting fresh content across text, images, and a code. Think GPT for text, Codex for coding, and DALL-E for pictures. You're probably familiar with ChatGPT, so let me explain GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a language expert powered by an immense database of internet text, books, and more. This is the heart of LLM, the large language model. The generative side is where GPT shines as a creative prodigy. It crafts new text like a skilled author, making conversations, articles, and even stories. Pre-training gives GPT a head start. It's already learned from its vast text training, letting it build on this knowledge for helpful responses. What about Transformer? Well, this is just a fancy name for the technology behind GPT. It's what makes GPT ace at understanding complex text. The Codex model series is like a specialized GPT, trained on language and billions of lines of code. It excels in Python and other languages like C#, JavaScript, Ruby, and more. DALL-E is a modified GPT that crafts images from text descriptions. It's trained on tons of internet images paired with text captions. Prompting is your chat with a language model. You kick off with a question or starting point. The model taps into its knowledge to craft a response that fits a prompt. GPT is a specific type of machine learning model that falls under the category of NLP, stands for Natural Language Processing. NLP enables machine to read, understand, interpret, and respond to human language in the way that's meaningful and useful. Let's take an example. I am traveling to Japan tomorrow. With NLP, the machine can grasp the intents and entities within this sentence for a more meaningful response. And the GPT is a multilingual wizard. It's trained on loads of text, including many languages like Japanese. So when you chat in Japanese like 明日日本へ旅行します, GPT understands it just fine. It's like a global language expert in your pocket. Let's take a moment to revisit prompting. Prompting is the name of the game when it comes to talking to language models like GPT. It's simple. You give the model a nudge by starting with a question or sentence. You can prompt something like, "You are my tour guide. Can you suggest the best places to visit in Japan?" GPT then gives you a list of awesome places to put on your travel map. Bottom line, it's about using prompts like a pro to make the most of language model magic.
I hope that was helpful and now you have some good ideas about generative AI and prompting. Ayça, can you show us into action?
Definitely. Let me show you how to prompt using Azure OpenAI Studio. In this demo, we will explore the generative AI models and craft unique prompts for our use case using Azure OpenAI Studio. Azure OpenAI Studio is a part of Azure OpenAI Service. To start using it, we'll need to create an OpenAI service on Azure. Let's select Create, and let's create a new resource group. Give a name to our instance. Select pricing tier, and next. Let's keep all the settings as it is. And once it's ready, let's create our Azure OpenAI service. Once our service is deployed, we can simply go to our resource and select Go to Azure OpenAI Studio. Let's quickly take a look at this studio. We have a couple of different playgrounds for chat, completions, and DALL-E. To use any of these, we need to create a deployment. Let's select Create New Deployment and select a model. I'll choose GPT-35 Turbo and give a name for my deployment. Let's select Create. And now we are ready to test out a playground. I'll select Chat. And first, we need to set up our assistant. We have a couple of templates for our system. We can select one of the existing templates such as Xbox Customer Support Agent. I will select Continue. As you can see, it gives us system message and one example so that our assistant can know how to reply to the questions. I'll simply say hi and I'll ask, what should I ask? An assistant will reply back with the introduction for Xbox devices. I'll ask, my Xbox is showing blue screen. And as you can see, it will start giving me a proper answer to help me about my Xbox. Let's try with an empty template and give our own prompt. I will give a system message as, you're a local tour guide who can help travelers with the best suggestions about Japan. Save changes, clear chat, and let's get started. I'll say hi. And now the introduction is about assisting Japan. I'll ask, can you tell me the best places to visit in Japan? And as you can see, the assistant is giving me a list of options, amazing places to visit. I'll ask, what are the must-see locations? And again, another amazing list of places to visit in Japan. What if I ask stuff about food and I don't even need to call Japan anymore? It will give me answers related to Japan because we provide it in our prompt. This is a delicious list. What if I ask my question in Turkish? I can say, Japonya'ya seyahat edenler için verebileceğin başka tavsiyeler nelerdir? ChatGPT is no stranger to other languages, as Tomomi mentioned, so it will reply back to me with proper answers in Turkish, and it's quite helpful, and it can also help you in other languages. As you can see, list goes on and on. Another feature of the studio I want to share with you is add your data. You can simply add your data and ask questions about it. There are 3 sources available: Azure Cognitive Search, Blob Storage, and Upload Files. Let's say that your assistant is ready and complete. You can go ahead and select Deploy To and deploy your assistant to a web app. Select Subscription, Resource Group, Location, and Pricing Plan, and then select Deploy. Once your assistant is deployed to Azure, you can select Launch Web App, and then you have to accept the required permissions. Then finally, you can start chatting with your assistant in a website. Let's start by saying hi, and then we can ask, what is the best season to visit? And of course, our tour guide assistant will give us the best suggestion. That's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and if you tried yourself, let us know about your experience.
Ayça, that was fantastic. Prompt engineering really brings out the best of GPT.
I know. Do you remember the time when we used to provide many samples to train the model? Seems like a simple prompt would do the entire work for us now.
Well, there you have it. GPT and prompt engineering in action. It's like having a dynamic duo on your side.
Indeed, thanks to GPT and prompt engineering, the possibilities are endless now. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.
Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.